Hey guys, it's Pipo, and we all know that Christmas is right around the corner. That's why akong gi-invite akong friend nga si Jacky Chang, yes, alay dire, to do Jackify Christmas Edition. So ay mong buhaton is mabunot lang kag 3 songs sa akong Bowl of Happiness, and kani sila is mga kanta sa mga bata kung manaygon sila. So you do the honor.
Okay.
Wow, confident.
Tigpanaygon ko sa una.
So, let's sing Merry Christmas.
Whenever I see girls and boys selling lanterns on the street, I remember Saddam na maligya og time bomb. Whenever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in the hearts. Let's light our Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow, when nations are at peace and all are one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Yay! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Kasadya ning tagnaay, dapit sa kahimayan, mauray among nakita ang
So there you have it, guys. Mayo kayo nga singer si Jacky Chang. And also, mayo kayo atong keyboardista.
Of course.
Yes, si Mr.
Yes.
Jeff Escarda. Thank you kayo, bye. Thank you. If you have more songs na ganahan nyo ipa-Jackify or mga types of songs na ganahan nyo ipa-Jackify, comment down below. So guys, don't forget to follow our social media accounts. Yes, and ayaw sa kalimte ang FatBoys Prod, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. So, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!